Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Decubate token. Ticker symbol is DCB. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 12th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Decubate token. So it says, Decubate, your all-in-one platform for Web3 success. We strive to revolutionize the decentralized economy by offering cutting-edge DeFi solutions, empowering innovators, and providing a robust environment for growth and success. Together, we can shape the future of Web3. Now, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 12th. At 12 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol DCB, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, like I said, this is a brand new listing here, and you can find all the information on Mexc Global's Twitter or on Decubate's Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there. You can find that at Decubate on Twitter, real easy to find. You can also find their Telegram at Decubate as well. Now, their Twitter has over 100,000 followers. 103,800 Twitter followers, doing very well. They're also followed by BITRUE, which is another central exchange, so they could also be listed on BITRUE. So maybe you could get this token prior to the Mexc Global listing by getting it off of BITRUE. I do have also a BITRUE referral code down there. As you can see, they have the blue verified checkmark, over 2,100 tweets. They have a full link tree that you can click on, find all the information on this project on their link tree. Their Telegram has over 10,000 members as well. So, Decubate, unleashing the power of Web3 for entrepreneurs and investors. Welcome to Decubate, the ultimate all-in-one partner for Web3 entrepreneurs and investors. Our groundbreaking tokenization DAO is designed to empower innovators and shape the future of decentralized economy. With our innovative services and unwavering commitment to accessibility, reliability, and empowerment, we offer a unique blend of investment opportunities and white label solutions to help you achieve your Web3 ambitions. At Decubate, our mission is to revolutionize Web3 with our all-in-one tokenization DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization providing entrepreneurs with the tools and resources they need to launch, manage, and grow their Web3 businesses successfully. With our expertise in funding, crowdfunding, market making, and more, we aim to help entrepreneurs unlock the full potential of the decentralized economy and drive innovation. Our vision is to become the catalyst for Web3 success by delivering a comprehensive ecosystem that empowers entrepreneurs and investors alike. We aim to break down the barriers and ignite the next wave of innovation in the decentralized economy through our all-encompassing suite of software tools, advisory services, custom development, and crowdfunding services by proactively addressing the needs of our users and continuously refining our offerings. Decubate aspires to be the gold standard for accessible, cutting-edge, and reliable Web3 solutions, driving meaningful change and fostering unparalleled growth. So at Decubate, we uphold the following core values. Ethical compliance, collaboration, adaptability, sustainability, and integrity. Decubate offers a suite of services and DeFi solutions to help entrepreneurs. Our range of services includes funding, community crowdfunding, market making, incubation, advisory, and more, tailored to meet the diverse needs of our users. Now they have a roadmap. So it says, two main aspects of our roadmap consists out of our software solutions and bringing value to DCB and our community. The vision of our software solutions, Decubate Token Management System, the TMS, exists out of a suite of connected white label management tools for minting, vesting, tokens and NFT staking and governance, tier systems, liquidity farming, and on-chain statistics, and much more. TMS enables innovators to interact with any EVM-compatible blockchain through a highly intuitive, customizable, and incredibly easy-to-deploy solution. Now, they're starting here with the Token Management System V1, market-making services on all exchanges, market-making services on decentralized exchange, staking module governance, dynamic staking pools, stake token earn NFT, stake tokens receive whitelisting, stake tokens for tiers and benefits, liquidity locking, dashboard and analytics. And then the DCB buyback and burn program. So it looks like it is going to be a deflationary token. Seed, private, public token sales, learn and earn reward airdrop events, NFT reward airdrop events, dynamic APY staking pools, launchpad governance and voting, decentralized refund policy, cross-chain integrations with Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, and Tron, NFT staking as a service, liquidity staking as a service, white label crowdfunding as a service, pay as you use payment model, variable APY staking pools, anti-bot as a service, cross-chain arbitration bot, DCB liquidity staking pools, improved event allocation system, new exchange listings, referral system, and new website. So as you can see, there is a ton of utilities for this token. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain. The market price right now is around 5 cents per token. Fully diluted market cap is over $49.1 million. Circulating supply market cap over $14 million. They have over 10,100 holders, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 1 billion DCB tokens. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.